11th math student, today we will discuss about new chapter limit and derivative. First we have to know about the meaning of limit. Limit x tends to a of fx. This thing is read as, look here, limit x tends to a of fx. This limit has two parts, left limit of fx and right limit of fx. Left limit of fx is written as limit x tends to a dash minus sign here, mark minus means for left limit, and it is also written as limit x tends to 0 of f a minus x. What is the meaning of this thing? You can see here. So when x approaches from left side to a, means x a की ओर जा रहा है left side से, and it becomes very close to a but not equal to a. So here this left limit is written as limit x tends to 0 f a minus h, means a minus h is a point on the left side of a, but a minus h is very close to a. Here you can see here. Suppose that a is equal to 2. So when you are taking left limit, means x approaches from left side to a and a is equal to 2, then the value of left limit becomes 1.9999 many 9, means very close to a or very close to 2 but not equal to 2. And right limit of fx is written as limit x tends to a plus of fx, or limit x tends to 0 f a plus h. A plus h means this is a point which is very close to a, but it is on the right side of a, like this, a plus h. A plus h and a both are very close to a, means here x approaches from right side to a, and if a is equal to 2, then the value of right limit will be equal to 2.00000 many 0 1. So 2.0001 and 2 both are very close to each other, okay, but not equal to 2. So left and right limit both are very close to a. Now here, after taking limit, when you put in place of x a, then function should not take indeterminate form. You will remember here, indeterminate means after putting the limit or taking, when you are taking the limit, function should not take 0 by 0, infinite by infinite, 0 raised to the power infinite, 0 raised to the power 0, infinite raised to the power infinite. These are indeterminate. Indeterminate means value cannot be determined. So you will remember here, when you are taking the limit, function should not take these form. Okay, if function takes this form, then first what to do? First you have to simplify the function, then taking the limit. For example, your function is x square minus 1 upon x minus 1, and here limit, in short form you can write lim, means limit of this function when x tends to a, means x 1 की ओर जा रहा है और 1 के क्लोज पहुंच जाएगा. तो डायरेक्ट when you are taking the limit, so after putting the limit means when you write in place of x1, then this whole thing will become 0 by 0 form, that is indeterminate. In case of indeterminate, what to do? First you have to simplify the function, means here x square minus 1, write in factor x minus 1, x plus 1 upon x minus 1, common quantity will be cancelled, then remaining part is x plus 1, its limit x tends to 1. So putting the limit in place of x, direct you can put 1, you will get 1 plus 1 2, means limit of this whole thing when x tends to 1 is 2. So when after putting the limit denominator becomes 0, so first you have to remember here what to do. First you have to simplify, removing the common quantity or common terms, then taking limit. Okay, common factor or common quantity first you will remove, then taking limit or putting the value. Correct? Now main property of limit can be distributed. Suppose you have product of many function or many parts, f1x, f2x and so on, and limit x tends to a, then separately you can take the limit here. Limit x tends to a of f1x into limit x tends to a of f2x and so on. In second, in numerator and denominator form, limit x tends to a f1x upon f2x. So limit of numerator upon limit of denominator, or in addition or subtraction plus minus form, f1x plus minus f2x plus minus so on, and x tends to a, so you can take the separate limit. Okay, so limit again I am explaining here. So limit of fx when x tends to a has two parts, left limit and right limit. So left limit is written as limit of fx x tends to a dash means before a there is a point close to a, and this thing is also written as limit x tends to 0 a minus s, means a minus s is a point close to a but it is on the left side of a and right limit is written as limit x tends to a plus means there is a point which lies on the right side of a, and it is written as limit s tends to 0 a plus s, means in place of x you will write a plus s. A plus s is a point close to a but it is on the right side of a. Okay, now you have to remember some standard limit.